What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Can I make your video? Which one is yours? So because there is no detail of that, so if you mind to tell me something about that.
It's 43,000 mile original car.
19 what?
43,000.
No, 19.
It's a 1998.
1998.
89, sorry.
89.
89 Firebird.
Very good. It's look very nice, and I think you keep it very clean and good. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
One bite, one bit. This is AMX. Hello, sir. How are you?
How you doing, bud?
Fine, thanks. Can you talk something about this?
This is a 1968 AMC AMX. It's one of 19,200 produced in the 3 years they made the two-seater cars. This 68 here with the Rally Green Go-Pack car is one of 1,871 with a 394 speed. I've owned this car since 1980. Bought it right out of high school, so I've had it for 44 years.
Oh, congratulations,
So, yeah,
man. It's
pretty
very
cool.
nice car.
390,
Thank you.
394 speed.
Thank you very much. I
betcha.
appreciate that.
They had already called another number.
Oh, you're kidding me.
They gave it to me. I'm way in the back
Yeah,
row.
you can't even hear about
I
it.
said, no, but I said by the time I got up to that booth there, they already called another number. I went up to go to my ticket for call.
इसमें तो मुझे नजर नहीं आ रही कोई खास बात। 2003 टिकनी हुई। Another car. Mercury 1964 William Morris from Malta. Malta is the closest town from DeKalb on west side. So I decided to share with you guys. Hello, how are you?
Not too bad.
Would you mind to talk to me something?
Sure. What do you want to know?
I just want to know about this car.
Well, it's originally from California.
Originally from
I
California.
just purchased it about 3 months ago and did some work on it. The brakes and timing chain and stuff on the engine.
How it is running?
Runs good.
Very good. No
Runs
engine
really
problem or nothing.
Runs really good.
And everything is in original condition.
Yep. It's all original.
And you live in Malta?
Yeah.
Very good. I used to go there sometime. Okay, very good. Nice talk to you guys. Thank you very much.
You too.
Thanks.